My name is Kamath. I'm Managing Director of Fronius India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. I have a pleasure in introducing you battery operated welding machine. Here you can see the machine is on, but there is no input supply. You can see there is no input supply in the machine, and you can carry it. And this is extremely useful for all defense applications where you don't have electricity connection. You can use this and you can weld close to 14 electrodes continuously, which is extremely good for repair and maintenance. When there is availability of electricity, you can also collect electricity. It's a hybrid machine, very useful for repair and maintenance and a small fabrication job on the borders. So we are introducing this machine from Fronius called Aquapocket. Our vision is to offer a perfect welding solution for our armed forces when they are in a difficult or a challenging situation where welding is essential. This is what Fronius can provide to them, making a quick welded parts or a battery operated welding machine.